Okay, so the fence is now up. Got the fence completely up. This is the first side of it. And here is the fence over here. It's eventually going to be painted white. And this is the fence. Got the fence up. So it's now gypsy proof. So gypsy can no longer get through here. And all these pickets are going to be painted white. Took about 2 days project getting this done. And I was going to remember to open it from the inside. There is the fence. All painted, getting ready to get painted. And it'll be painted white. And so Gypsy can no longer escape. And I'll show you Gypsy. She's inside the house right now. So get Gypsy, because she does not like being outside by herself, inside the house by herself. Come on! Sit up! Here comes Gypsy now. The house is now gypsy proof. Gypsy cannot get through that fence. So she can walk in the backyard now free. But she can't jump over the wall because she's not assertive enough. And she doesn't like to jump. Because a bigger dog can very easily do it. Winnie could have easily scaled the fence when he was younger. But this is the other side of the part of the fence here. So the fence is up. Just got to paint it white. And nice and picketed. I had to dig a little bit hole here to get the fence to open up. It opens up from the inside. And it clears the ground, all nice and level and plumb. It is up. And Gypsy cannot escape the yard. Well, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add some cinder blocks here, make this a little higher. I want it a little bit higher. Gypsy can't scale this, but it's also good to keep other dogs out as well, because this guy over here has a black dog that can jump down. But Gypsy now has her own backyard, as you can see. Gypsy likes her backyard. So there is a fence, and I guess I'm going to put higher cinder blocks on this wall. And Gypsy can now run free in her backyard. And she won't escape. She won't jump over the fence because she doesn't like jumping anyway. And she's not strong enough in the back legs. But like I said, Winnie could have easily done it, but Gypsy is not a jumping dog. So there it is. There is the fence. And Gypsy won't jump over this wall either. There's the fence. Hope you like the fence. It's done.